Hello, it's Janice again from Paul's Dream and Joy, and I have another fun card to share with you today. Isn't this fun? I have so much fun doing this. Here's the products that we'll be using on our card, and now it's time to create. Let's get going. We're going to be using Old Olive ink from Stampin' Up. Going to be using these textured or stitched, these stitched square die cuts. Possibly some of these, haven't decided yet, but it's a maybe. This stamp set is from Close to My Heart, and we're going to be using the stamp that says, "It's your special day." And this is where we're getting all of our paper from. Echo Park, away we go. So, as it says, this is the card base. It's a vertical card. It opens this way. And this is going to be the first layer of paper, so we're going to put that here. There we go. I love it when I put that first piece of paper down because already I always feel like it's so pretty. Alrighty, I think we're going to, I don't know what we're going to do. Let's figure it out. Let's put this here, this here, and then she's going to go on this, and we'll have to figure out where that's going to go. But in the meantime, let's get that one down. Uh-oh, I've taped my tape to the tape. Okay. Sorry. I tend to be silly. And it says, "It's your special day." And this image is from Creative Fabrica, and I'll put a link in the description so you can go check it out. There's a whole bunch of cute ones in the script. Well, they all are cute. All of them that they have are cute. All right, so do we want to do it like this? Or do we want to do it the other way? Or maybe we want them up here. Maybe do that. How's that look? I like the way you think. How's that work? That looks good too. Let's do that one. So we're going to put tape on here. It's okay if it's not perfect. And it's okay if it is perfect. It's however you want it to end up looking like is great. All right, so we're just going to put her a little wonky right there in the middle, or we could do that, or we could do that. I tend to like wonky, but I'll be good, and I'll just, nope, I'm going to be wonky. I can't help it. All right, put this here. Okay, and now we've got this bling. Do we want to use it? I don't know. Let's see. The colors are beautiful. All right, let's do this. Since I don't know what I want to do, I'm just going to do a little bit of everything. Because why not? Have enamel dots, we'll use them. Not that one, that's not going to work. Let's do this one. All right, so I got some right there. If that's not enough, we can always add some more somewhere else, but I think that looks pretty good. Yay, and it was so fast and easy. Crafting does not have to be hard, and it does not have to take up a whole day. Unless you're crafting a bunch of things. Then it can take up as long as you want it to. Thank y'all for visiting with me today. If you like what you see and you want to see more, please hit that like and subscribe button and hit the little bell and share it with your friends. That'd be great. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye.